Greetings and a warm hello. Today, as we celebrate 78 years of global health progress, we mark the World Health Day with a vital call to action. Together for health, stand with science. It's a strong reminder that evidence-based healthcare is a human right. Science isn't just found in a laboratory. It is in the clean water we drink, the vaccines that protect our families, and the data that helps us fight everything from cancer to climate change. Science is also our compass in an era of digital noise. It is the only tool powerful enough to cut through the fog of misinformation. The WHO is on the ground every day, turning the best science into real-world care for everyone. Science delivers results when collaborations turn knowledge into action. We see the impact right here in Timor-Leste. Thanks to science-based actions, we were officially certified malaria-free in 2025, eliminated lymphatic filariasis in 2024, rubella in 2023, and even measles and polio before that. These wins prove that nothing can stall a nation that stands with science. This year, we are also highlighting the One Health approach, because we now know more than ever that our health is tied to the health of animals, plants, and the environment that surrounds us. Protecting human health means protecting the entire ecosystem. Let's take One Health from concept to protection through strong cross-sectoral partnership, a skilled health workforce, and a better data sharing across the sectors. We can also contribute through our own actions, like only take antibiotics when prescribed, never share or use leftover antibiotics, vaccinate your pets, wash hands after contact with animals, protect water sources, and dispose of waste safely, and importantly, keep food at the correct temperatures. Today, let's commit to lead with facts and collaboration. Let's support health workers and advocate for policies that put people and the planet first. You made a better healthy choice. Science made it possible. A very happy World Health Day to everyone. Obrigado. Thank you so very much.